Hey, this equation caused confusion on the internet because people are getting two different answers, which looks correct. 6 minus 4 will give us 2. 2 to power of 2 times 10. Alright? And then 4 power 2 will give us what? 2 power 2 will give us what? 4. So 10 times 4, we have 50 here. And then we have division here. This will give us 40. We have 50 divided by 40. And then 50 divided by 40 will give us 5 over 4, which is one whole number, 1 over 4. Use the order of operation called PEMDAS. 6 minus 4 will give us 2. 2 to power of 2. Here is multiplication. Here is 10. And then we have the division here. We have the 50 here. 4 here times 10 division, and we have 50 there. Now, using the PEMDAS now, evaluating from left to right, we do the division before we do the multiplication. 50 divided by 10 will give us 5 times 4, and 5 times 4 will give us 20. So this is the correct answer. The correct answer to this equation is 20.